Hello again. This is the second boss, the second, of fourth wing of the Blackrock Mountain, and okay, to win this guy, pretty much you have to play your whole deck in about 2 turns. Oh, that will be epic. Okay, just hit that again, please, and handle my haze. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, that's kinda bad, but still, I get. Well, um, just give a bunch of small creatures because you pretty much need to dump your hand immediately. It's so many cards. And like even this is the deck I pretty much win against in heroic mode. Oh, implosion. Okay, dreams. Did I get milled? No. Um, Three, okay. Normally, I will not get milled this turn. Great big guy now. Nice. Okay. He used all of his dying hubs to get an Electrons. Okay, yeah, what am I doing? Okay. Next turn, I think with double Sabador, I might go play hole. And that move I pretty much guarantees that. Oh, let's see. Okay, that's just one minion. God, no. Okay. No, I don't think I got. Oh, yeah, I will try though. Okay, yeah, I got that. Yeah. So, this is not that hard of a boss. You can either go with a milled deck of Druid or a milled version of Rogue. You can still go that. You just need low health minions. So, the next video I will be on Promagus, which is actually the hardest boss, but we can do this. See ya.